So you see the orange link everywhere. People are making full-time incomes without ever shipping a package or dealing with the customer services. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started with a TikTok shop. Nowadays, bypass the 5,000 follower limit. So how to pick out the here products is going to be really easily. So first of all, let's talk a little bit more about the zero follower bypass. Now, officially, you needed 5,000 followers, but here is the legal bypass. Instead of joining as an actual creator, you can go directly from TikTok seller center. So you're going to open a new TikTok seller, and this will be sending me directly to the seller mx.tiktok.com. I'm going to click directly inside here. You can register yourself here. You can choose the different countries you're focusing on. In my case, I'm going to stick around here with Mexico City to make this process much more faster. So what you want to do is to enable your phone or your email element in order to continue like this at gmail.com. You don't have to use a business account if you don't want to do, right? So once you have done this, the element is going to be asking you to verify your let's say here I'm going to go with all the three of those, and once you are directly inside here, is going to be asking you to make the actual verification of your store. To make the actual verification of your store is going to be asking you a few elements such as your identity and more information about your store. So basically here, your account has now the shop features and the affiliation marketplace unlocked instantly regardless of your follower count, and you're actually good to go. If you focus directly into your TikTok account, you might see that it will be showing you now the element of store selling directly inside them. So basically, the next thing you wanted to focus on is into the hero product research. So just don't pick what you like. You wanted to pick what sells. Look for products with at least 15 commission and high rating fulfillment. So for this, what you wanted to do, of course, is to browse the affiliation marketplace. So if I go for the TikTok affiliate marketplace, once again, all directly here from Google. Usually here is going to be sending me directly into the more CPG sales brand that can be helping me to get started. So if you choose the element that says get started, it will be asking you to create an actual account or to sign up directly here for TikTok. So the process actually won't be that difficult. So what you need to do just to claim the actual offer and you're actually good to go. You can use the actual element of the free fat sample button, which is desperate for content and will send you products for free if your engagement rate is healthy. Now the viral sales content, for example, TikTok is a visual search engine now. Your video needs 2-second hooks. You want to show the result before the actual process, and you can even get more solutions of how you can actually see, for example, more information about how to sell stuff here directly here into TikTok. Even you have the actual resources element. For example, there's case studies, there's a TikTok Academy, there's a blog, there are more patterns, there's a support, there's a creative center, and some TikTok insights that you might be willing to use to get started. Now, if you have under 5,000 followers, you are into the pilot program. You must post, I believe, 6 shoppable videos and get 10 orders within the next 30 days to stay in. So this is the actual way you can, of course, you also need to do at least 1 5-minute live stream, I believe so. Even if it's just you unboxing the actual product, actually, whatever you want to do, but I can strongly recommend you to do some kind of an unboxing of the actual product you're actually making the affiliation process to prove that the TikTok you are an actual real human and you're not let's say making spam here into TikTok, right? So here have examples of the top ads. You can see what it had into TikTok, the industry you will be working on. Here you can see the more conversions of how you can actually use the TikTok elements to get started. And as you can see, there are not so much creative processes and they're still making some actual sales. So you might want to take in mind what you're actually willing to focus it on directly here into TikTok in order to let's say making some actual sales. So once you have hit your first 15 sales, the brand will start sending you targeted offers, 30, 40% commissions, and so much more. So that's where the actual real money is, and we can be focusing making another video tutorial for that specific content. So if you want to see more videos like these, you can let us know in the comments below. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this directly here into TechExpress. Remember that if you want to get started here for TikTok, you must have an actual free account that you can get with just an email, and if you wanted to verify your two-factor authenticator, you can just add your phone number as well. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Hopefully we can see you next time.